We're meeting in the theater at 8:30. We have to go down here and get stickers. So they called our tour at 9:09. Here's what the port looks like. You have to take these trams out to the entrance of the port, I believe. We're waiting to give in our tickets and get another sticker and sign a disclaimer, I guess. It's now 9:23 and we're heading to the tram.
We have the restroom facilities here in case you need to use them. Why? Because our next restroom facility may be an hour.
So we're gonna be taking transportation to our first stop, which is how an old home used to be built. So we're getting one of these apparently. Called spiders because they fit 8 people. We're at our first stop.
This house was owned by a countess that came to live to Mazatlán. Welcome. This way, please.
Smells like a Catholic church in here. There is water bottles provided at this stop. There are restrooms available at the theater.
Pulmonias. They are typical. You only find them here in Mazatlán. And why pulmonia? Because when they first started, taxi drivers were jealous that everybody wanted to ride on the open air taxi. They started to say, don't ride on that taxi. You're going to get a pneumonia.
Oh.
11:20, right back here. Okay, if you have any questions, I'll be around.
We have 30 minutes to explore the church and the surrounding area on our own before we meet back up. This is a restaurant, bakery. She said you can go to the restroom in there if you need to. And there's a market down here. Yeah. There's a lot of shoe shine stands in this plaza. This is where it's too expensive to remodel the upper floors, so they keep the outside the way it is and then only remodel the bottom floor.
This area is where our seawalk starts or ends. We are in Olas Altas. Olas Altas means highway.
We're going to a jewelry store where you can buy silver if you want. You don't have to, but you can use the bathrooms, and there's a complimentary drink apparently.
Restroom facilities and bar to the end.
So you can get beer, margarita, soda, I think water. Tips only, it's free. And they have a restroom. So there are plenty of restroom stops on this tour. So it looks like this is where all the tour groups come to this jewelry store. 12:13, we left the jewelry store. Beatles Monument.
Professional photographer. Lots of families come to the saltwater pool. Oh my God!
So after the jump, we're getting in one of these spiders to go back somewhere. And we arrived at this restaurant that's near the port, but not at the port. So you can't really walk to the port from here, I don't think so. He said you get a free drink, you gotta buy food. So this is the restaurant we stopped at. You get a complimentary drink, chips and salsa, but then you can purchase food. Stuffed shrimp was $13 and something. It was really good according to people that had it. If you didn't buy anything, she did have people going back earlier. So you could go back earlier if you're not gonna buy anything to eat. So it's 1:46, we're back at the port, but we have to take the trolley back and stuff. That'll do it for the Old Mazatlán Walking Tour.